here's the bird we've been taking care of, and he's gotten much bigger, and he's got a full tail now, which he didn't have when we first got him. It's kind of hard to see because it's in the dark, but we're planning on letting him go tomorrow. We're going to try one. Gotten very antsy and ready to leave. It's okay, she's not coming in.
Yeah, he's freaking. He's rejecting.
He's not even begging anymore, he just opens his mouth.
Yeah, spitting half of it off. Not liking it anymore.
He's been starting to eat some bugs on his own that we put in this bowl for him. Some of the very things that we ate, the freeze-dried mealworms and the freeze-dried crickets that we had at bug eating day, and he's been able to function better on his own, so he's very antsy and very ready to have his freedom, so we're going to set him free tomorrow. Hopefully he'll find other birds like himself. Yeah, he's not the least bit afraid of you, huh?
No. Yeah, he's not taking it.
He's done.